स्पेशल स्टॉक मार्केट के बिगिनर्स कोर्स में आपका स्वागत है। ब्रेकआउट्स ब्रेकडाउन्स। In the realm of technical analysis, the concepts of breakouts and breakdowns are fundamental. They signify key moments where an asset's price moves out of a defined range or pattern, indicating a potential continuation or change in trend. Understanding and being able to identify these movements can give traders an edge in the markets. A breakout refers to when the price of an asset moves above a resistance level or pattern boundary, suggesting a potential upward trend continuation or reversal. Conversely, a breakdown is when the price moves below a support level or pattern boundary, indicating a potential downward continuation or reversal. What it is and what it shows. Breakouts and breakdowns are based on the principle of support and resistance. These are levels where the price tends to reverse or pause, reflecting a balance between supply, selling interest, and demand, buying interest. Support levels represent areas where buying interest surpasses selling pressure, preventing the price from falling further. Resistance levels, on the other hand, are where selling interest outweighs buying, stopping the price from rising more. When these levels are breached, it suggests a shift in the supply-demand balance. Horizontal breakouts breakdowns. These occur when the price surpasses a horizontal resistance, for breakouts, or support, for breakdowns, level. Example. A stock has been hitting resistance at $50 multiple times but fails to move beyond it. If the price then moves above $50 on significant volume, it's a breakout. Trendline breakouts breakdowns. These happen when the price moves beyond a diagonal trendline, which has been formed by connecting the highs or lows of a chart. Example. A stock trending downwards, making lower highs and lower lows, breaks above its descending trend line, indicating a potential change in trend. Pattern breakouts breakdowns. Certain chart patterns, like triangles, flags, or head and shoulders, have defined boundaries. When the price moves beyond these boundaries, it results in a breakout or breakdown. Example. A stock forms an ascending triangle pattern, characterized by horizontal resistance and higher lows. A move above the resistance is a breakout, suggesting a continuation of the upward trend. How to trade it? Trading breakouts and breakdowns effectively requires some strategies and precautions. Volume confirmation. For a breakout or breakdown to be genuine, it should be backed by substantial volume. High volume indicates strong participation and commitment from traders. Example. If a stock breaks above resistance at $100 on significant volume, it's a stronger breakout signal than if the volume were low. Retest and confirmation. After a breakout or breakdown, the price might retest the breached level. If the price respects the level, turns support into resistance or vice versa, and moves in the breakout-breakdown direction, it confirms the move. Example. After breaking out above $50, a stock might pull back to $50. If it then bounces back upwards, it confirms the breakout. Avoiding false breakouts breakdowns. Not all breaches of support or resistance signify genuine moves. Sometimes, the price might move beyond a level briefly before reversing a false breakout or breakdown. Using stop-loss orders and waiting for confirmations can help mitigate the risks of false signals. Example. If a stock breaks below a support level but quickly rebounds and moves above it, traders who acted prematurely might incur losses. Waiting for a confirmed move or using stop-loss orders can prevent such scenarios. In conclusion, recognizing and effectively trading breakouts and breakdowns can be instrumental for technical traders. It's crucial to use them in conjunction with other technical tools and ensure sound risk management practices. For more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel.